Intervals are really important because they help us identify songs and also because we use them in chords and other things, so we have to know what they are to do a lot more things that are advanced in music. What I'm going to do is show you a lot about intervals using musictheory.net because it has some great visualizations of them. And I'm going to play you some examples as well of them in Sibelius, a music notation program. So, intervals are the distance between two notes, and if it's the same note and there's really no distance between them, we call it a distance of a unison. Here it says first or prime, but typically we call them unisons. And it's the sound of hearing the same note. So here I have two C's here. And a unison would really have two notes played simultaneously. Often this happens when people are singing songs. So you're singing the national anthem and everyone is singing the same notes together. Or you're singing something like Take Me Out to the Ball Game or whatever, or Happy Birthday. People sing the same notes, hopefully. So here's some note. And now I'm going to sing the same note. So I'm playing it and singing the same note. In that case, I'm playing. I'm playing and singing at the same time, the exact same notes, so I'm singing in unison. Here's a second, and a second is the distance between two letter names. So here we have C to D. I'm not concerning myself with accidentals too, because really the size of an interval is only about how many letter names did I span, not about the particular accidentals or half-step sizes. Third, well, C to E, C, D, E, span of 3 letter names. You can see them on the keyboard here. So on for fourth, fifth, etc. Here's a fifth, a sixth, and a seventh and an eighth. So that's the size of an interval, but typically we talk about more than just the size of the interval. We also talk about its thing called quality. Quality ends up being the amount of particular half steps we're using, and we have a lot of kind of complex names for those. So we'll look at those next.